YouTube's being gay. And I don't speak very fast, so I don't know why it's not capturing my face. Anyways, throughout the rest of my pregnancy, I'm going to make a video. So my belly gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And then at the end, I'm going to take pictures along it too. And in the end, I'm going to make a big video of my belly getting bigger. And it's going to be really cool. But anyways, that's all I have to say because YouTube really doesn't like me anymore. And I don't understand why, because I haven't ever done anything to it. So I'm going to go before I get extremely angry.